Types of soils. In this module, you will learn about red and yellow soil, laterite soil, arid soil and forest soil found in India. Red and yellow soils are formed by the weathering of crystalline igneous rocks. In India, these soils are found in abundance in the eastern and southern parts of the Deccan Plateau, parts of Orissa, Chhattisgarh, southern parts of the Middle Ganga Plain, and in the region at the foothills of the Western Ghats. The reddish color of these soils is due to the diffused iron particles in the crystalline and metamorphic rocks. The air and water present in the soil reacts with the iron particles and results in rust formation, giving a red color to the soil. This type of soil appears yellow to form yellow soil when it occurs in a hydrated form. Laterite soil got its name from the Latin word later, which means brick. These soils are made up of clay, heavily leached by the downward movement of water. These soils are rich in iron, which gives a reddish color to it. In India, laterite soils are found in the states of Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh and the hilly regions of Orissa and Assam. If adequately supplemented with fertilizers and manures, the laterite soil tracts in the hilly regions of Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka are useful for tea and coffee cultivation. Similarly, the other laterite soil regions of the plains of Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh are suitable for cashew cultivation. The next soil type is the arid soils. The color of this soil type ranges from red to brown. These soils are sandy in texture and saline in nature. The salinity in some regions is so high that common salt is prepared by evaporating water. The soil is turned into sand due to high temperature, weathering, excessive evaporation and lack of moisture content. The calcium content of this soil type increases with depth and hence the lower layers of this soil contains conker nodules. The conker nodules obstruct the infiltration of water into the soil. Moreover, due to dry climate and high temperature, the rate of evaporation is high. These two factors result less moisture content in these soils. These soils are found in the arid regions of Rajasthan and Gujarat. In the lower parts of the valley, particularly in the river terraces, forest soil is silty and loamy and hence very much fertile. In the upper valley, the soil is coarse-grained. Due to lack of vegetation in the snow-clad mountains of Himalayas, the soil is denuded and becomes acidic and lacks in humus content. In this module, you have learnt the following. Variations in relief, climate and natural vegetation have resulted in various types of soils found in India. The 6 types of soils are alluvial soil, black soil, red and yellow soil, forest soil, laterite soil and arid soil. Red and yellow soils are formed by the weathering of crystalline igneous rocks. Laterite soils are formed due to the weathering of laterite rocks. These rocks are made up of heavily leached clay by the downward movement of water. Laterite soils are developed in regions of heavy rainfall and high temperature. The color of arid soils ranges from red to brown. These soils are saline in nature and have less moisture content. The forest soil is found in the hilly and mountainous areas of rainforests. The texture of the forest soil is not the same everywhere. It varies according to the mountain environment where it is found.